Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a concrete watch time goal, such as 6 minutes average. That guides every choice. Combine analytics with a tight outline so you can act now. Start the first actionable steps by drafting a strong 10-20 second hook, then map 3 value segments, each about 2 minutes long. Once done, schedule the first shoot block and set chapter markers in your script. This ensures viewers stay longer because they know what value comes next. You now execute the complex middle steps to actually retain viewers. During editing, cut dead air and insert pacing edits every 30 to 90 seconds so attention resets naturally. This reduces drop-off. Add mid-video prompts that invite reflection or promise a reveal later, and layer visual changes, B-roll, graphics, or quick zooms to keep engagement high. Make sure to align the thumbnail and title with the promised content, because mismatches cause early exits and kill watch time. You complete the video by delivering a concise recap and a soft call to action that nudges viewers to watch more content or save for later. Once done, add precise chapters and timestamps so viewers can find value quickly, which raises average watch time. After publishing, check retention within the first 48 hours and compare drop points. If you see consistent exits, re-edit that segment or try an alternate thumbnail. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.